Are you looking for ways to make money online? In today's digital age, the possibilities are countless and the opportunities are just a click away. This video is here to guide you through the maze of online money-making avenues. We'll be exploring 5 unique methods, each with its own potential and profitability. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking for new avenues or a novice just starting out, there's something here for everyone. We'll delve into the world of online surveys, the flexibility of freelancing, the lucrative nature of affiliate marketing, the potential of selling products online, and last but not least, the power of YouTube AdSense monetization. Each of these methods has its own perks and challenges, but with the right approach, they can be great ways to boost your income. So, are you ready to dive in and explore these opportunities? Stay tuned to learn about these 5 exciting opportunities to boost your income. Firstly, have you ever considered taking online surveys for cash? This is a unique way to make money from the comfort of your own home. Online surveys are a method of market research where businesses and organizations gather opinions on various topics. Your views can significantly influence the development of new products or the improvement of existing ones. Let's explore some reputable websites where you can sign up and start earning. Websites such as Swagbucks, Vindale Research, and Inbox Dollars are well-known platforms that offer paid surveys. These sites reward you with cash or gift cards for your valuable input. Here's how it works. After signing up, you'll receive survey invitations via email. These surveys cover a wide range of topics, from your favorite types of food to your shopping habits. Each completed survey earns you points, which you can then redeem for cash or other rewards. One thing to remember is that the amount of money you can make from online surveys depends on the time and effort you put into it. Some surveys might take just a few minutes to complete, while others may require more of your time. But hey, the more surveys you complete, the more rewards you can earn. So if you have some spare time and want to make some extra cash, online surveys can be a great option. They not only offer financial gains, but also allow you to voice your opinion and have an impact on future products and services. Secondly, have you thought about using your skills to freelance online? In a world that's rapidly digitizing, freelancing is becoming a popular choice for those seeking to monetize their skills and gain greater control over their work-life balance. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is freelancing? Well, it's pretty simple. Freelancing is essentially being self-employed and offering your services or skills to clients on a project-by-project basis. You're not tied to a single employer, but rather, you're free to work with multiple clients across various industries. Let's say, for instance, you're a gifted writer, an adept graphic designer, or a proficient programmer. You can offer these skills on freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, connecting with clients who need your expertise. It's like setting up your own personal online shop, where your skills are the products on display. The beauty of freelancing is the potential earnings that come with it. Rates are often determined by the complexity of the work, the time it takes, and your level of expertise. As you gain more experience and build a solid portfolio, you can charge higher rates. Some freelancers even make a full-time income from their freelance work. But it's not just about the money. Freelancing offers a level of flexibility that traditional jobs often can't match. You can work from anywhere, at any time that suits you. Whether you prefer working from a bustling coffee shop in the city or the quiet comfort of your home, as a freelancer, the world is your office. Freelancing also allows you to pursue your passion projects. You can choose projects that align with your interests, further fueling your creativity and motivation. It's a great way to keep your work exciting and personally fulfilling. So if you're looking for a way to turn your skills into cash while enjoying the freedom to work when and where you want, freelancing could be a great fit for you. With freelancing, you can turn your skills into cash while working from anywhere in the world. Thirdly, have you heard about affiliate marketing? If not, let me fill you in. Affiliate marketing is a simple yet effective way to earn money online. It's all about promoting products from other companies and earning a commission when these products get sold through your referral. Imagine this, you're a blogger or you have a significant following on social media. You come across a product or service that you genuinely like and think your audience will too. So, you promote this product or service on your platform, and every time someone makes a purchase through your referral link, you get a piece of the pie. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, it is. And the best part? It's a form of passive income. This means that once you've set up your affiliate links, you could be making money while you sleep. It's like having a salesperson working round the clock for you. There are several popular platforms for affiliate marketing out there. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Commission Junction are just a few that come to mind. These platforms offer a wide range of products to promote, from books to electronics, and even services. So, if you have an online presence and enjoy sharing recommendations with your audience, affiliate marketing could be a great fit for you. Remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is to promote products that align with your brand and resonate with your audience. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income from your online presence. Fourthly, why not consider selling products online? It's a fantastic avenue to explore, especially if you have a knack for creating something unique or have access to products that people need or desire. There are several platforms where you can set up shop. Etsy, for instance, is a goldmine for handmade crafts and vintage items. If you're an artist, a designer, or a vintage enthusiast, this platform could be your ticket to a thriving online business. Next, there's eBay, a platform that accommodates a wider range of products. From secondhand items to brand new products, eBay has made many successful online entrepreneurs. It also offers an auction-style selling, which can be an exciting way to sell. Then there's Amazon, the giant of online retail. With its vast customer base, selling on Amazon can give your products incredible exposure. You can sell almost anything, but keep in mind the competition is fierce. But let's not sugarcoat it. Selling online comes with its own set of challenges. You'll need to stand out in a sea of sellers, handle shipping, manage customer service, and keep up with platform fees. But don't let these challenges deter you. With a good product and a solid marketing strategy, you can overcome these hurdles. To wrap this up, selling products online can be a rewarding way to earn money if you have a product that people want. It's about finding the right product, the right platform, and the right strategy. Lastly, have you ever thought about making money through YouTube AdSense monetization? It's a platform that allows you to turn your creativity and passion into profit. How? By creating and uploading original videos on YouTube. You see, every time someone watches one of your videos, you have the potential to earn money. That's the magic of YouTube AdSense monetization. It's all about ads. When ads are viewed or clicked on your videos, you earn. And the more views your videos get, the more you can make. Now, you might be wondering, how much can I really earn? Well, the answer isn't fixed. It depends on several factors, like the number of views, the type of ads, and even where your viewers are located. But the potential is there to make a substantial income over time. Setting up AdSense for YouTube is a straightforward process. You need to have a YouTube channel first, of course. Then, you simply sign up for an AdSense account, link it to your YouTube channel, and voila! You're all set to start monetizing your content. But remember, it's not just about the money. It's also about sharing your passion, your talent, your voice with the world. And if you can make some income while doing what you love, that's the cherry on top. YouTube AdSense. Monetization can be a profitable way to share your passion with the world while earning income. So, there you have it. 5 ways to make money online. Let's quickly run through them one more time. First, we have online surveys where you can share your opinion and get paid for it. Then, there's freelancing, a flexible option that allows you to offer your skills to clients worldwide. The third method is affiliate marketing, which can generate income by promoting other companies' products. Next, we talked about selling products online, a great way to turn your crafts or secondhand items into cash. And last but not least, we discussed YouTube AdSense monetization, a method that allows you to earn revenue from your YouTube content. These are just a handful of ways you can tap into the digital economy. Each method requires a different set of skills and levels of commitment. But with a little effort, patience, and determination, you might just find your perfect fit. Remember, the internet is a vast place filled with opportunities. It's up to you to seize them. Good luck on your online money-making journey.